Today we talk about how can you select activation time on your Zello app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just clicking this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on push to talk, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on Fox button here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to activation time, and here can you select here, just click on it. Here can you select activation time here in this list on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.